Drop shipping is a popular business model. It allows entrepreneurs to sell products online. The best part? You don't need to handle inventory. This makes it a low-risk, high-reward opportunity. Imagine this. A customer orders a product from your online store. Instead of you shipping the product, the supplier handles it. You focus on marketing and customer service. This streamlined approach offers flexibility and scalability. It's an attractive option for aspiring entrepreneurs. No huge upfront investments are required. Drop shipping empowers you to be your own boss. You can control your schedule and work from anywhere. Are you ready to dive in? Drop shipping offers the potential for significant income. This business model allows you to sell products without holding any inventory, which can significantly reduce your initial investment and risk. With the right strategies, you can generate substantial profits. By leveraging effective marketing techniques and optimizing your online store, you can attract a large customer base and drive consistent sales. Many entrepreneurs have achieved financial freedom through dropshipping. These success stories often start with a single product that resonates with a target audience, leading to exponential growth and financial independence. Low overhead costs are a major advantage. Without the need for physical storefronts or large storage spaces, your operational expenses remain minimal, allowing you to allocate more resources to other critical areas of your business. You don't need to rent a warehouse or manage inventory. This eliminates the complexities and costs associated with traditional retail, such as storage fees, inventory management, and shipping logistics. This allows you to invest more in marketing and scaling your business. By focusing on digital advertising, social media campaigns, and search engine optimization, you can reach a wider audience and increase your sales potential. The key is to identify profitable products. Conduct thorough market research to understand current trends and consumer preferences, ensuring that the products you choose to sell are in high demand. By focusing on in-demand items, you can attract customers and drive sales. Offering products that solve a problem or fulfill a need can set your store apart from the competition and build a loyal customer base. Remember, the higher the demand, the greater your earning potential. Utilize analytics tools to track product performance and adjust your inventory based on what's selling best. Dropshipping is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires a significant amount of effort, persistence, and strategic planning to build a successful business. It requires hard work, dedication, and a solid strategy. You must be prepared to continuously learn and adapt to the ever-changing e-commerce landscape. However, the potential rewards are well worth the effort. With determination and the right approach, dropshipping can lead to a highly profitable and fulfilling business venture. Starting a dropshipping business is easier than you think. Follow these steps to set up your online empire. First, choose a niche. Select a specific market you're passionate about. This helps you target the right audience. Next, create an online store. Platforms like Shopify make it easy to build a professional-looking store. Then, find reliable suppliers. Partner with suppliers who offer quality products and timely shipping. After that, market your products. Utilize social media, paid advertising, and content marketing to reach customers. Remember, building a successful business takes time and effort. Stay focused, adapt to changes, and never stop learning. Choosing the right products is crucial for dropshipping success. Here are some strategies to help you find winning items. Focus on trending products. Utilize tools like Google Trends to identify products with increasing demand. Solve a problem. Look for products that address a specific need or pain point for consumers. Target a niche market. Catering to a specific audience allows for more effective marketing. Consider profit margins. Aim for products with a healthy profit margin to maximize your earnings. Remember, thorough product research is essential. Don't rush the process. Take your time to find products with high demand and low competition. Section 5. Partnering with reliable suppliers. Your suppliers are your business partners. Choosing reliable suppliers is vital for long-term success. Here's what to look for. Quality products. Ensure your suppliers offer products that meet your standards. Fast shipping times. Customers expect timely delivery. Partner with suppliers who can deliver. Excellent communication. Choose suppliers who are responsive and transparent in their communication. Positive reviews. Research supplier reviews to gauge their reliability and customer satisfaction. Remember, building strong relationships with your suppliers is key. Treat them as partners, and they'll be more likely to go the extra mile for you. Section 6. Real-life success stories. Inspiration to fuel your journey. Countless entrepreneurs have achieved remarkable success through dropshipping. Their stories serve as inspiration for aspiring business owners. Take, for example, the story of Sarah, a stay-at-home mom who built a thriving dropshipping business selling eco-friendly baby products. Or consider John, a college student who used dropshipping to pay off his student loans and achieve financial independence. These stories highlight the transformative power of dropshipping. With hard work, determination, and the right strategies, you too can achieve your entrepreneurial dreams. Section 7. Navigating common challenges. In this section, we will delve into the common hurdles faced by dropshippers and provide actionable strategies to overcome them. Like any business, dropshipping comes with its share of challenges. These challenges can range from intense competition to managing customer expectations and ensuring smooth operations. Here are some common obstacles and how to overcome them. First, let's talk about competition. Competition. The dropshipping market can be highly competitive. With so many players in the field, standing out can be tough. Differentiate yourself with unique products and excellent customer service. Offering something that your competitors don't can give you an edge. This could be a unique product line, personalized packaging, or exceptional customer support. Marketing challenges. Reaching your target audience can be difficult. With so many marketing channels available, it can be overwhelming to decide where to focus your efforts. Utilize a variety of marketing channels and constantly test and optimize your campaigns. Experiment with social media ads, email marketing, influencer partnerships, and SEO to see what works best for your business. Inventory management. While you don't handle inventory directly, it's crucial to stay informed about your suppliers' stock levels to avoid order fulfillment issues. Regular communication with your suppliers can help you stay updated on stock availability and prevent delays. Customer service. Providing excellent customer service is paramount. In the world of e-commerce, customer satisfaction can make or break your business. Respond to inquiries promptly and strive to exceed customer expectations. A happy customer is more likely to return and recommend your business to others. Remember, challenges are opportunities for growth. Each obstacle you face is a chance to learn and improve. By embracing a problem-solving mindset, you can overcome obstacles and build a thriving business. Stay resilient, keep learning, and adapt to changes. Your persistence and dedication will pave the way for your success in the dropshipping industry. Section 8. Scaling your business for maximum profits. Scaling a business is an exciting yet challenging phase that requires strategic planning and execution. Once you've established a solid foundation, it's time to scale your dropshipping business for maximum profits. This involves not just increasing sales, but also optimizing operations to handle the growth efficiently. Here are some strategies to consider. Each of these strategies can significantly impact your business's growth trajectory if implemented correctly. Expand your product line. Introduce new products to your store to attract a wider audience. Diversifying your product offerings can help you tap into new market segments and meet the varying needs of your customers. Invest in paid advertising. Platforms like Facebook and Google Ads can help you reach a larger customer base. Paid advertising allows you to target specific demographics, ensuring that your marketing efforts are reaching the right people. Automate your business. Utilize tools and software to automate tasks like order fulfillment and customer support. Automation not only saves time, but also reduces the risk of human error, allowing you to focus on strategic growth activities. Build a strong brand. Create a memorable brand that resonates with your target audience. A strong brand identity can differentiate you from competitors and foster customer loyalty, which is crucial for long-term success. Remember, scaling your business requires careful planning and execution. It's essential to continuously monitor your progress and make adjustments as needed to stay on track. Don't be afraid to invest in your growth and seek expert guidance when needed. Consulting with business experts can provide valuable insights and help you navigate the complexities of scaling your business. Investing in your business's growth is not just about financial resources, but also about investing time and effort into building a sustainable and profitable enterprise. Section 9. Conclusion. Embark on your dropshipping adventure. Dropshipping offers an incredible opportunity to achieve financial freedom and be your own boss. While it's not a get-rich-quick scheme, with hard work, dedication, and the right strategies, you can build a thriving online business. Remember to choose a profitable niche, partner with reliable suppliers, and focus on providing exceptional customer service. Embrace the challenges as opportunities for growth and never stop learning. The world of dropshipping awaits. Take the leap, unleash your entrepreneurial spirit, and build the business of your dreams.